Good afternoon, I'm Dan Godwin. The family of Thomas Eric Duncan, the only Ebola patient in the United States to die, gathered to talk about a settlement they've reached with Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital. That is where Duncan was treated and passed away. Fox 4's Dion Anglin was there for the announcement and joins us now live. Dion?
Yeah, that's right. The attorney for Thomas Duncan's family spoke here this morning. Also, his nephew, Josephus Weeks. The remarks went on for about 45 minutes, and through that, we have learned general details of the arrangement between Duncan's family and Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital in wake of Duncan's death. Now, it will include a monetary settlement compensating Duncan's 4 children and his parents. 2 of his children and his mother are here in the U.S. His father and 2 children are in Africa. Now, no amount is given, but their attorney described it as very generous, the settlement. Another facet of the agreement is the formation of a charitable foundation set up and overseen by Texas Health Presbyterian to fight Ebola in West Africa. Details are still being worked out. A notable mention here today, the Dallas woman, Duncan's fiancée, Louise Troe, is not included in the settlement in any way.
Mr. Duncan's fiancée, unfortunately, is not included in this because the law doesn't give any rights in these kinds of cases to fiancés.
We held each other, together, and we did what we needed to do to make sure Eric's death does not go in vain.
Now, the hospital this morning also released a statement expressing its deep regret once again to the Duncan family and reiterating the purpose of the trust it will establish and oversee to fight the deadly disease. Now, the family's attorney says that he is quite surprised by the hospital's expediency in getting this matter resolved. It also noted the hospital's apology once again and extending its it commended the hospital rather for working in such genuine with a genuine desire to prevent another scenario from happening like what happened to Duncan. It's the latest live here in Dallas. Now back to you.
All right, thanks very much, Dion Anglin, reporting live for us. 2 more healthcare workers who just returned from the Ebola hot zone are being watched for symptoms. They arrived at DFW Airport on Monday from Sierra Leone. The county health department says they will be monitored, but currently they have no signs of being infected. They agreed not to use public transportation and to avoid large crowds for 21 days after their last exposure. Happening in an hour, a U.S. Senate committee will gather for a hearing on funding to help control the Ebola outbreak in West Africa. The White House is requesting $6.2 billion. More than $1.5 billion would be for a contingency fund to deal with any unexpected developments. Aid organizations say thousands of healthcare workers are needed to treat Ebola over the next few months.